What up, y'all? It's your boy Azhar here once again. Welcome to another vlog. What's going on? How you guys doing? Excellent. I love to hear you guys are doing well. If you're not doing well, don't worry. Put a smile on your face and you are going to feel better. That's what's up. All right, so today I'm here to basically take you guys to the Orrangville Drive Test Center. That's right. I'm heading to the Orrangeville Drive Test Center right now. I'll be taking you guys through the G route today. It's a really simple and easy route. Once again, as I said in my previous vlog, I'm not here to make you guys memorize the routes and everything, just to give you guys a rough idea of what the route looks like, how the G driving test looks like up in Orrangeville. All right, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment in the section below and I'll make sure to answer your questions. Please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, smash that bell icon, show some love and support, and I'll see you guys in Orrangeville. All right, guys, I'm at the Orrangeville Drive Test Center. That's what's up. We're gonna go over there. All right, so we're gonna go behind the building. Around 15 to 20 kilometers per hour over here. The street coming up, we're gonna go right. So the stop sign, we're gonna go right. Once you make this right turn, excellent. We're gonna keep going straight. Traffic lights coming up, we're gonna go left. And when you make a left turn from these traffic lights, it is going to be the highway. Right when you complete this turn, let's pick up your speed to 80 kilometers per hour as soon as possible, and we have to go to the right lane. Excellent. We're gonna pass the first set of lights. The speed limit is still 80 kilometers per hour. 60. So while you're driving straight, this 80 turns into 60. This 60 does not mean it's 60 right now. It means it's gonna be 60 coming up ahead. So you still have to make sure you're going 80 kilometers per hour right now. You're gonna pass the second set of lights. It's still 80 right now. It's still 80. It's still 80, and now it's 60 kilometers per hour. So remember, this is the highway. From 80, it turned into 60. Okay. Traffic lights coming up, we're gonna go right, please. So after it turns 60, the first traffic lights that come, we're gonna go right from here. You can go right from here or you can go left from here on your road test, but we're gonna go right from here. So you've made the right turn. We're gonna do a roadside stop now, emergency stop. Check your mirrors, check your blind spot, pull over to the side, put your emergency lights on, put your vehicle in park with the parking brake up. Excellent. All right, time to go. Put it in drive. Turn off your emergency lights, left signal on, check your mirrors, check your blind spot, and let's go. Stop sign coming up, we are going to go left, please. It's a one-way stop sign, so obviously that means you gotta come to a full stop, make sure no one's coming. Whenever it's clear, you go. A three-point turn, right signal on, check your mirror, check your blind spot, pull over to the side. Left signal on, check your mirror, check your blind spot, proceed with caution. So we've completed the three-point turn. Now we're gonna do a parallel park with this car coming up, please. All right, we've completed the parallel park. We're proceeding with caution. And the street coming up, we're gonna go right. So they bring you to this residential area to do your emergency stop, three-point turn, parallel park. So we're gonna go right from here, please. And then literally they take you back from the same way you came here from. So we're going back, we're gonna go left from the traffic lights coming up. Once again, they can bring you into the neighborhood that we were in or into that neighborhood up there. So we're making this left turn right now. Excellent, left turn completed. Speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour. We made the left turn, so we obviously have to go and make a right lane change. Awesome. What's the speed limit here once again? 60. It is 60. Yeah. Excellent.
It's more.
So it is 60, but it's turning into 80 soon. So right now it's 80, but the traffic light is red. The traffic light is red. So obviously if the traffic ahead of you is going slow, you don't have to travel at 80. You flow with the traffic flow. So do not go over 80 kilometers per hour over them. Make sure you're looking in your rear view mirror every 4 to 8 seconds, scanning your intersections and everything, showing the examiner that you can exaggerate and you can multitask as well. Traffic lights coming up. We are going to go right. This is going to be our last right turn from the light before we go into the drive test center. Now, and we are going straight. Make sure you're scanning your intersections. Gonna go left into the street coming up into the driveway. Alrighty, we're back at the plaza again. They're gonna ask you to do a reverse park at the end of the plaza over there, or a forward park, and then you're good to go.